students, today's video lecture is based on class 11 mathematics. In this video lecture, we will solve the question number 12 and question number 13 of exercise 3.3. Question number 12 is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x and that equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. So we can separate it as sin 6x plus sin 4x in first bracket and in second bracket sin 6x minus sin 4x. There is the formula of sin A plus sin B and this is the sin A minus sin B. Okay, for the formula of sin A plus sin B, that's equal to 2 sin, here will be A plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B and divided by 2. This is the formula for the sin A plus sin B. But for the sin A minus sin B, that's equal to 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into sin A minus B divided by 2. This is the formula. And in place of this we can put this formula. So left hand side equals to, in place of this we can write 2 sin A plus B divided by 2. So A plus B 6x plus 4, where left hand side equals to 2 sin A plus B, that is 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into, there is the cos A minus B divided by 2. So right here cos A minus B, A is 6x and minus 4x divided by 2. And in place of this, write another formula, sin 6x minus sin 4x, and the formula is 2 cos A plus B divided by 2. So A plus B, that means 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin A minus B, so 6 minus 4, 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Now that will be 2 sin 4x plus 6x, that is 10x divided by 2, that will be 5x into, here is the cos 2x divided by 2, that's equal to cos x. Okay, now in next bracket here is the 2 cos 10x divided by 2, that is 5x, and into sin 2x divided by 2, that means x. Okay, so we know that we can arrange it also like 2 sin x into cos x at the same side. So 2 sin 5x into cos 5x into 2 sin x into cos x. Now 2 sin A into cos A, that is sin 2A. So we can write here in place of this sin 10x into, in the place of 2 sin x into cos x, we can write here sin 2x. That is the right hand side of this question. Right hand side. Clear? Now we will go to solve the next question, that is question number 30. Question number 30 is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, and that is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. This we will take left hand side, that is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, and it can be written in the form of cos 2x plus cos 6x in first bracket, and in second bracket cos 2x minus cos 6x. Okay, and we know that there is the formula for the cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b, that's equal to 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2, and for the cos a minus cos b, there is a formula of minus 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 into sin a minus b divided by 2. By using these formulas, we can solve this question. So in place of this, that is left hand side, that's equal to, in place of this we can write here 2 cos a plus b, that is 2 plus 6, that is 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into cos a minus b, so 2x minus 6x divided by 2, and in next bracket for this we can write here minus 2 sin a plus b, that is 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into sin 2x minus 6x divided by 2, and now this will be 2 cos 2x plus 6x, that is 8x, and divided by 2, then it will be 4x into, here is the cos 2x minus 6x, that will be minus 4x. So right here minus 4x divided by 2, so that will be minus 2x, and in next bracket minus 2 sin 2x plus 6x, that is 8x divided by 2, that is 4x, into, here will be sin minus 4x divided by 2, then it will be minus 2x. Clear? Now here is the minus cos minus 2x, then it will be positive, but here is the sin minus 2x, then it will be negative, and also here is the minus sign, so it will be minus into minus equals to plus. So in this form 2 cos 4x and into cos 2x, in next bracket minus and minus will become plus, and that will be sin 4x into sin 2x. Okay, now in next step, here is the 2 cos 4x and here is the sin 4x. So write here 2 sin 4x into cos 4x in first bracket, and in second bracket we can write here 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, that is here. Cos 2x is here and next sin 2x is here. So we can write here, this is the formula of sin 2a. So we can write here sine 4x, that's double, that is 8x into, in this form 2x becomes double, that is sine 4x. That is the answer, and this is the right hand side of this question. So according to this we can solve the questions in this exercise, and we will meet in next video lecture. Thank you.